welcome to Artyshils Art Academy and welcome to this brand new class where we'll be learning how to paint this beautiful painting from start to finish. So this is a very bright, colorful, very cheerful painting where I have shown this little girl and she has these cute little chicks who she is playing around with. So before we move any further in this class, I would like to tell you a little brief story of why I painted this painting. So the theme that I was working on this month is called childhood. And for me, my childhood has been, full of my love and, my running behind between animals. I was so very obsessed with animals. I was never a person who would just watch cartoons. Even on TV, I would watch animals. I would just sit under the trees looking at birds. I would just sit on the terrace looking at birds. I would just feed the dogs, run behind squirrels. I would just do all such things. And when I was thinking about my childhood, one very prominent memory that I have from it was when my sister and I had adopted these baby chicks who we were taking care of. And they were so cute and we really loved them a lot. We loved them so much that both of us would not sleep at night and both of us would try to comfort those chicks by making them sleep like this on our necks so that we could keep them warm, because we would just imagine that if those baby chicks would have been with their moms, their mom would keep them warm, right? So to keep them warm, we would not sleep. We would just put them like this on our necks so that they feel warm and cozy. Or maybe we would just try to build some nest, keeping the cotton and all these things that we could possibly think of for them. So we were just obsessed with taking care of those chicks, being moms to those chicks. And that is one distinct memory of playing around and being with those chicks that I wanted to capture, and that is exactly what I have done in this painting. I have tried to capture the air and emotions of what me and my sister used to feel at that time, for those chicks, how we looked at them. You can see in this painting how this girl is looking at these chicks and how she's trying to play with them and how she's trying to be with them. So that is exactly the concept was on my mind that I've tried to bring on my canvas. And I've used a lot of pure and bright colors because for me pure and bright colors mean joy, they mean happiness. So that is why they are over here, because this moment, this scene that is still on my mind makes me really happy. So this was the entire concept of the painting. I have made sure once again that I teach each and every detail of this further in the class, but still while working on this painting, if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, please feel free to let me know and I will be more than happy to get back to you as soon as possible. And why I tell you such stories or the concepts in detail behind my painting is that you will get an idea of how concepts develop, how ideas come up, so that if you too have some emotion or feeling that you want to capture on canvas, you are able to develop that idea, or you're able to think of what to put on canvas, how to bring that imagination on canvas. So that's why I tell you these stories before we get started with the painting. So even if you decide to create your own original, you can use the same techniques that I've used in this painting. You can use the same colors, concepts, everything you can do the same. So after finishing this painting, you can not only paint this particular painting, but you can also design your own original, which will be an amazing challenge. So do think about it, do think of your own ideas and your own concepts. And I really hope that you will have fun creating this, or maybe your own original as well, as much as I had fun designing this entire class for you. So with that being said, if you are already a part of it, welcome, and let's get started. Let's move ahead to the next part of this class. Let's get started with the painting and drawing basics and everything. If you've not joined us yet, then do join us. I really look forward to having you as a part of this class. I too am always there to guide you, help you, motivate you in every way I can. So never hesitate to contact me anytime, most probably on Facebook or Instagram, because over there I'm the quickest to reply more than anything else. So do find me on Facebook or Instagram. And with that being said, let's get started with this class and let's look at all the materials that I've used in this painting in the next video. So I will see you there in the next video. Till then, bye and happy creating. Bye.